Hi guys! In this lesson, we will add several formulas that will ensure, once we start populating the sheet with data from the database, everything will be calculated perfectly. Firstly, we can start by adding formulas that calculate each of the total and subtotal lines. I will add a formula that sums gross sales and discounts here. And then, below, I'll add another formula that calculates gross profit. These are the two subtotal lines. We'll have the same thing for full margin delivered. It will be the sum of gross profit, distribution, and warehousing. Very well. Now I'll copy these formulas and use paste special formulas in order to paste them for 2016. Okay, great. The other formulas we need to include are the ones located on the right. Here we have two types of variation calculations, absolute and percentage. The absolute variation is just the simple difference between the value that was observed in 2016 minus the value in 2015. We can calculate percentage variations by dividing the quantity that was observed in 2016 by the quantity we have in 2015 and subtracting 1. Good. Now we can paste the two formulas for the rest of the cells. The next step will be to include a few KPI ratios and prepare their formulas. For example, it will be interesting to see what percentage of net sales will be gross profit and FDM. Let's do that now. I'll type the formulas for these KPIs here. And when the numbers are included in the sheet, the two formulas will be calculated directly. This is how we perform a preliminary preparation of our report sheet. In our next lesson, we'll create a pivot table that is going to serve as a source for this report. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.